If you're starting your New Zealand business for a better life, the worst mistake you can make is getting the foundations wrong. Most New Zealand business owners don't realize this, but the way you set up your business at the start can cost you thousands in tax later. And it happens because they choose the wrong business structure and tax setup. Keep watching and I'll show you how you can set up properly with the right business and tax structure, avoid costly tax mistakes most business owners make, and do it all yourself in just one day without needing an accounting or tax background. Here's the frustrating part. When you're starting a business in New Zealand, you're pushed into one of three bad options. You spend months trying to figure this out on your own. You rely on bad advice from Facebook groups, forums, and friends. You don't see the value in paying thousands to an accountant upfront because you're just starting out. And that's exactly how people end up with the wrong business structure, the wrong GST setup, and tax mistakes that take a lot of money to fix and years of stress. The good news is it doesn't have to be this hard. You don't need to be an accountant. You don't need a tax background, and you don't need months to get this right. What you actually need is the same step-by-step framework experienced accountants use to set up businesses properly from day one. That's exactly why I created the One Day Business Setup Academy. This is a beginner level program that shows you how to set up your New Zealand business with the right tax structure in just one day. Inside the course, I'll personally show you step by step how to choose the right business structure between sole trader, partnership, and company, whether you should register for GST, how to choose the right GST setup, including filing frequency, calculation method, and alignment with the tax year, how to register everything correctly. This isn't theory. I'm a registered tax agent with the IRD with 18 plus years of real world experience. I've helped hundreds of businesses start correctly, filed thousands of tax returns, and I've even written a property tax book. In fact, my tax content has been recommended and shared by New Zealand's former Minister for Revenue, Small Business and Economic Development. And I've recently been featured as a cover story by ACCA, the world's largest global accountancy body. I'm telling you this because my framework is based on real-world experience. And right now, I'm opening a limited pre-launch of the One Day Business Setup Academy. This is early access, which means founding members get lifetime access at the lowest price this program will ever be offered. Lessons will be released as they go live, and you'll have instant access to a private support community of like-minded business owners going through the same program. You'll also get direct access to my team and I through the private community. And to make this an even better deal, you'll also get access to 7 limited time bonuses, which includes guidance on what to do after setup, how the New Zealand tax system actually works for business owners, and much more. You can scroll down this page to see the full details. These are the things most business owners only learn after making expensive mistakes. The full value of everything included here is more than $2,000. But because this is a pre-launch, you can get lifetime access for a single payment of just $49. And in case you're skeptical, which is totally fine, I want you to know that I have plenty of 5-star reviews from my existing paid clients, and I'm offering you a no questions asked refund policy. So there's no risk in giving this a try. If it's not useful, you get your money back. But this pre-launch offer is only available for a short time, and once it closes, the price will go up. So if you're starting a business in New Zealand, this is your opportunity to get the setup right from day one without needing an accounting or tax background. Click the button below and enroll now.